Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Silver the Hedgehog, the powerful psychokinetic hero from the Sonic universe, in his original character style. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's bring this futuristic hedgehog to life step by step. We've slightly sped up the skeleton and initial sketch phase so we can focus on the clean line art, but feel free to pause the video anytime to carefully capture those early construction steps. Silver the Hedgehog first appeared in Sonic the Hedgehog 2006. He comes from approximately 200 years in the future. Let's begin with the eyes, sharp and slightly angled with bright irises that give Silver his focused and determined expression. Silver possesses psychokinesis, allowing him to move objects and enemies with his mind. His glowing bracelets and glove markings act as inhibitors to help control his power. Silver was initially manipulated into believing Sonic was the cause of his ruined future. His main goal is to protect his timeline from destruction. Silver is known for his strong sense of justice and optimism. His design was inspired by the idea of a future Sonic. Silver often works alongside Blaze the cat. The Sonic universe mixes advanced technology with natural environments. Add the mouth, forming a confident smirk that reflects his brave personality. Now draw the snout, smooth and rounded, keeping that classic Sonic-style muzzle shape.
Among his hedgehog spines, add the ears, one here and another later over there to the side.
Sketch the forward-pointing quills aligned with his brow line, which enhance his intense look. Now draw the top quills, rising upward almost like a crown, giving Silver his unique silhouette. Don't worry, there are more quills to come, and we'll add the larger back ones later in the process. The upward quill design helps distinguish him from Sonic and Shadow. Let's add the white chest fur, fluffy and stylized, forming that iconic tuft on his torso. Draw the torso, slim and slightly curved, keeping his proportions balanced and athletic. Now sketch the legs, long and cylindrical, maintaining that sleek Sonic universe anatomy. Add the upper cuff of the right boot, including the glowing cyan stripes that resemble the energy patterns on his bracelets. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our playlist featuring other Sonic Universe characters. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Draw the right boot, focusing on the thick base, layered sole, and futuristic design details. Many characters in the franchise have unique abilities tied to energy or speed. Repeat the structure for the upper cuff of the left boot, mirroring the right side for symmetry. Now draw the left boot, carefully matching the shapes and perspective. Sketch the left hand, including the glove and the bracelet with the energy-striped bracelet. Silver's telekinetic aura is usually represented with cyan energy effects. Despite his serious mission, Silver has a kind and compassionate personality. The Sonic series has expanded across games, comics, animated series, and movies since the early 1990s. Add the left arm and forearm, smooth and slightly curved, connecting naturally to the raised fist pose. Now draw the right hand, clenched and raised near head level. Here you can clearly see the psychokinetic inhibitors on the back of the glove, along with the energy striped bracelet. For colors, use light silver gray for the body, white for the chest fur and gloves, cyan for the energy accents, gold for the bracelets and boot rings, and dark teal with white and cyan details for the boots. But remember, you can color your silver any way you like. If any part feels challenging, pause the video and take it one section at a time. Clean lines come from patience and observation. Sketch the right arm, keeping it symmetrical in style and consistent with the left side's proportions. Now add the remaining large quills, flowing backward dramatically from his head and extending down toward boot height. Draw the tail, small and subtle, positioned naturally behind him. And here's our Silver the Hedgehog, confident, powerful, and ready to protect the future. I hope you enjoyed it and that this video inspired you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.